Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my unboxing of the brand new Fujifilm XF500mm f5.6 OIS lens. The items you're going to find in the box are the registration card and comes with a really nice lens strap. Nice thick, good material. Typically I use the Peak Design camera straps, and that's what I go ahead and attach to the lens. That makes it much more convenient to go ahead and attach or remove the straps. The lens also comes with a case. This is not going to be the type of case that you're going to want to go ahead and use when you're going out. I don't think it's going to be very sturdy. The lens comes with a tripod mount. It's Arca Swiss. You can see the indentations on here. Has a real nice knob here for attaching the lens and removing it. So what you're going to do is going to go ahead and loosen the knob, and you would push in on the button right here to go ahead and release the lens. Don't know how often I'll have this on the lens. Would typically only have it on there when I'm mounting it on a tripod. This lens at about 3 pounds is a lens that I expect to be hand holding quite a bit. The lens also comes with an instruction manual. And now let's go ahead and remove the lens from the box and show you what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and talk to you about the buttons and what each one of them does. You have a focus limiter here, 5mm to infinity or full access to the autofocus range. You have autofocus presets, and then you have a set button on the bottom here. 4 buttons are on the lens that you can program to perhaps start stop focus as one of the options. See the window on here in case you mount a 95mm polarizing filter. And I am picking the aperture on the aperture ring of the lens. One thing that is amazing is just how light this lens really does feel once you start taking photos with it. It feels even lighter than a 70 to 200mm lens on a full frame body would feel. Now the lens has the knob here where you can go ahead and turn the lens collar. I've gone ahead and removed the attachment that you would use to attach to a tripod, because I'm hand holding it out here today. One of the things that people are really happy that Fuji did once again is return the image stabilizer button where it's actually on the lens and you don't have to go to the camera menus to set it. Beautiful finish on the lens. The nice thing with the 500mm lens is that you can also attach the Fujifilm 1.4 and 2x extender. Please like and subscribe, and I thank you guys for watching.